Hello, this is Eric from Center for Advanced Legal Studies, and this is a brief video overview of Blackboard Collaborate, and in particular, Blackboard Collaborate Launcher, making sure that your computer is able to launch live Blackboard Collaborate sessions. I've already logged in to my sample account, and I have a course online readiness. I'll click the link to enter the course and scroll down to the third item, which is Test Blackboard Collaborate. There's just a few resources here in particular, and I'll just walk you through those. It says here at the very beginning, please follow this link to the web conferencing for first-time users. When you click on that link, it'll take you to Blackboard's site, and there's some information available for the first-time users of Blackboard Collaborate. Many of you have already used Collaborate in your interviews with our admissions staff, but the way they launch sessions is slightly different than the way it'll be launched from within Blackboard Learn. So one thing you'll see here, step one is check system requirements. If I click on that, it will give you an idea of which internet browsers are supported. I have Windows 7 on my computer, so I can see that Windows Internet Explorer 8 is compatible. More importantly, you want to look for certified. Compatible will provide you with a good experience, but certified means it's been thoroughly tested and all functionality is proven to work. There's also support for Mac OS and Java. You have your system requirements, which are pretty modest. One thing to point out, they claim that the internet access only needs to be dial-up speeds of 28.8. But as they recommend here, broadband connection is highly recommended. So you want to have the best possible internet connection to make your experience as good as it can be. The other thing you'll see here are there are some configuration rooms, and these are rooms that are always available that allow you to test your ability to connect to a Blackboard Collaborate session. So I'm going to click on this configuration room here for the United States. Now you'll see here there's a file that's being downloaded called Meeting 55. I've opened up a lot of Collaborate meetings, but you'll notice the file extension Collab, C-O-L-L-A-B. In order to launch a Collab file, you'll need the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher. It's a small piece of software that gets downloaded to your computer, and it makes it easy to launch live sessions. So what it's saying is my computer doesn't have the launcher because it can't open this file. It's because I removed it prior to producing this video. So I'm not going to do anything that it's suggesting here. I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to download the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher. This will only happen if you don't have it already installed on your computer. You may. So I'm going to click download the launcher. I'm going to choose Windows. You could also have a Mac, but I have a Windows machine. And you'll see down here in the lower left hand corner of my screen I'm using Google Chrome, so it shows the progress of my downloads, and it's 40.8 megabytes, so it's a pretty good size file. We'll fast forward here. Okay, we're almost finished with the download, so it's finished downloading. I'm going to click to run it. Do you want to run this file? Of course. It's going to take me through the installation. I want to choose all of the default settings. And we'll finish. So what I've done is I've run the installer. Now I should be able to open the collab file, which I downloaded previously. Here's my collab file. So this is the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher at work. And this is what you should see anytime you're entering a Blackboard Collaborate session. Let me resize this so it'll fit. Get my chat back in here. Okay, so now I'm in the Blackboard Collaborate configuration room for Blackboard Collaborate 12.5 and higher. You'll see that there's some information here. This isn't a live session. This is just so you can configure your computer. First thing we want to do is run the audio setup wizard, which is this little microphone with a red little gear or sprocket on it. So when I click that, it's going to ask me what output device or speakers I want to use. I have on my Microsoft headset, so I'm going to choose that one. It's going to play a sound here. You probably couldn't hear that, but through my headset I heard welcome to the audio setup wizard. I could hear it fine, so I'm going to hit yes. And then I'm going to also, for my microphone, I have several, but I'm going to use my headset microphone. I'm going to click record, testing, testing, testing. I'm going to play it back. I can hear it perfectly fine, so I'll say yes. And I've completed the audio setup. This is recommended to do at the beginning of any live class session. It helps optimize your audio and helps eliminate or reduce echo. It has echo cancellation, so it's definitely recommended to run the audio setup wizard before every class. Now in this configuration room, I'm not able to actually talk because they have security on it, and I can't play my video. But if I want to, I can test my video by clicking the preview button. This would be where I would click to actually broadcast my video live, but this little preview button lets me test my video prior to actually turning on. So I'm going to turn it on here, and my webcam should pop up, and there I am. Hey, my video's working. Great. Get me off there. There we go. So that's how you can test to make sure that you can enter a Blackboard Collaborate session. If you can enter this session, you should have no problem entering any of our live classes conducted at Center for Advanced Legal Studies. Let me go ahead and exit this session. And so we follow this link right here, web conferencing for first-time users. Again, that gets us to this page that will show us our system requirements and give us some configuration rooms that we can enter. Let me close these out. There's some additional resources. Blackboard has a wealth of information on their website. If you click Blackboard Collaborate Launcher at help at .blackboard.com, it'll take you to help.blackboard.com, and there's all kinds of information. They keep it up to date. If you want more information about how to, say, launch Blackboard Collaborate from Windows, just click that link. They have a video tutorial as well that focuses on Windows and Internet Explorer. I'm using Google Chrome. It's a little bit different. So there's a lot of information that you can find here. I recommend that you read through all of these pages. It doesn't take very long, and it'll get you much more familiar with Blackboard Collaborate and how it operates. Also on our website, we have some information about the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher, and you can actually download it here if you haven't already. Thank you for watching this video.